Yo, we are back. So we are in Jamaica, Kingston, Manley Airport. So it's going to be a 2-week special on Jamaica. So as you can see, it's nighttime in Jamaica. I've been here for about 30 minutes, pick up my rental, heading straight down to Kingston. So we're going to get some stuff in the daytime. As you can see, the airport is very active. So keep tuned. We're going to have a good season this year, you know. Just a few things. £1 equals 188 Jamaican dollars. $1 American dollar equals 150 Jamaican dollars. This airport behind me, Manley, is named after a statesman, Manley, very famous premier special man for Jamaica. So keep tuned. We're going to come up with something big in the next couple of weeks, so keep tuned. All right, let's move on. So I'm back. So currently I've been in Kingston for about an hour, 30 minutes. So I'll come down to a local Monday spot called Uptown Monday. And this place is the best place to come in Kingston on a Monday. So we're gonna go inside and check out the people, the music, and see what you can get for your money. 500 Jamaican dollars for entrance. So it's a good spot to check out if you're in Kingston for a few days and you're going to be here on the Monday. So take a pan around and have a look around and see what you can see. But we're going to go inside anyway. Uptown Monday. I'm about to head into the place, the best place to come to Kingston on a Monday. You also have some people selling some food outside, so if you want to get a quick snack when you leave, we have a few vendors selling some food. We have a man called Baggar. He sells some pop chow and some nice food when you're coming out of the club. So let's see what he has. Yo, Baggar. So let me know what you're cooking here, really.
Kalaluan, papcho, hake, susumba, and stew, and veggie chop.
And what days are you here? Every day?
Rice and peas, fried bread food.
See. So what days you here? Monday, Tuesday?
Just Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
And how much do people have to bring with them if they want to buy some of this food?
Yeah.
How much money do people have to bring?
From $5, 5 days up.
All right. And you see, you have some fresh food getting ready there.
Yeah. Some saltfish.
You see that fresh?
Hockey.
Yeah, that looks good.
Pop chow and color.
Pop chow, fresh man, fresh.
And this is susumba. These are the veg chunks.
Some chunks, some itel.
And this are susumba.
That look nice. It look good, man. Look good. So you're here every Monday.
Every Monday.
All right. Okay. So see. So if you come here, make sure you check out the food and you come and grab something to eat when you come out Uptown Monday. He's here, as he says, every Monday. So come and pick up the food and try it. Five bills for this. You get yourself some
5 bills up.
5 bills up from that, like the man said. So come and pick up the food and get yourself some food when you reach the place. All right. Respect.
So you know the thing already. Right about on your trip to the DJ and tell the man boss, hey Rooksy, let's touch down by the growing up. See, Rooksy, you got the shirt for the birthday, you know, the birthday celebration. See, that's it at the place, so you know the thing already. Oh, you have to try Monday, love it, you know. Big up all the way out of match, you know, it's early.
You really help me away, I'm write this song for you, know. Love everything when you do, baby girl, you're something special. Everything when you look tight, put up in your jeans like a spike. Want ice up your neck like a frostbite. Put the icicle right when your tongue ring. Lollipop, you want something sweet to make your heart it drops. Gonna lock me like the cops. Shoot out when she turn it round back way. White rum shots, weed and snacks. Couple brownies in the back. Pretty dolly but she don't want Molly. Just me and you. Out on the sea and a K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Girl, me and you. Out on the yacht and a S-E-X. All night girl, picture me and you. Out on the yacht and a K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Girl, me and you. Out on the sea and a S-E-X. All N-I-G-H-T. And on the moonlight, here on the sand. On the beach side on the ground. Girl, we don't got no chill. You don't know me that man. Want treat you right, while you take it to the man, make a pile you. Daytime, I lay down with the lotion. And that I can't see commotion, real love potion. She want breathe for me, but no one but a girl like every belly for the J. But she still gon' come to me. She still love it, company girl. Don't need nobody else, we don't need nobody else, baby. Don't need nobody else, we don't need nobody else, girl. Just me and you. Open the sea and a K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Girl, me and you. Open the yacht and a S-E-X. All like, oh baby, me and you. Open the sea and a K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Girl, me and you. Open the yacht and a S-E-X. All N-I-G-H-T. Slow motion, love motion. You got me, girl. You got me, slow motion, love motion. You got me, yeah. You got me,
Yo, so we just wrapped up the first evening in Kingston. I hope you enjoyed Uptown Monday. We saw what the event had to give. You saw the electricity is the biggest vibe in Kingston on Monday. $500 Jamaican dollars for entrance fee. I'm about to drive back to the apartment because this is my first night and I'm absolutely shattered. I need to get some rest because tomorrow I'm going to be working on some new stuff for some more episodes. So stay blessed. Till the next one, let's go.